Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 27 October 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination because current affairs plays an important role in all competitive exams. Okay, so try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And one thing, those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous two questions. Our first question was Saad al-Hariri reappointed as prime minister of which country? Lebanon, Israel, Japan, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Lebanon. Saad al-Hariri recently reappointed as the prime minister of Lebanon. Okay, our second question was which country joined International Monetary Fund IMF as 190th member recently? Oman, Andorra, India, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Andorra. Recently, Andorra joined IMF International Monetary Fund as 190 member recently. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is which country ordered no masks, no service policy? Japan, Bangladesh, India, or option D, America. The correct answer here is option B, Bangladesh. Recently, Bangladesh government has decided that no service will be provided to people who don't wear a mask. Okay, and launched no mask, no service policy. No mask, no service policy. Bangladesh is in news. Capital is Dhaka. Currency is Dhaka. Prime Minister is Sheikh Hasina, and Abdullah Hamid is the President of Bangladesh. Okay. Next question. Who got the first rank among Indian PSUs in Forbes World Best Employer 2020? NTPC, Shell, IOCL, option D, HPCL. The answer here is NTPC. The correct answer here is option A, NTPC. National Thermal Power Corporation Limited. Abbreviation is National Thermal Power Corporation Limited. Recently, NTPC has featured on the top on the list of the Indian PSUs under the World's Best Employer 2020, and it is published by Forbes. Remember, it is published by Forbes. Okay, NTPC is established in 1975. It is established in 1975, and its headquarters is situated in New Delhi. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Which bank shut down its operation in Sri Lanka? PNB, SBI, ICICI, option D, HDFC. The answer here is ICICI Bank. Recently, ICICI Bank shut down his operation in Sri Lanka after getting approval from Sri Lankan Monetary Authority. Okay, recently ICICI Bank shut down its operation in Sri Lanka. Okay, and the headquarters of the ICICI Bank is situated in Mumbai. CEO of ICICI Bank is Sandeep Bakshi. Sandeep Bakshi. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has virtually launched Live in Miniature project? Live in Miniature project. Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, option D, Prahlad Singh Patel. As per you see the image of Prahlad Singh Patel here, the correct answer here is option D, Prahlad Singh Patel. Union Minister of State for Culture and Tourism, Prahlad Singh Patel has virtually launched the Life in Miniature project, a collaboration between National Museum, Ministry of Tourism, and Google Art and Culture. Google Art and Culture. Recently, Life in Miniature project is virtually launched by Prahlad Singh Patel, and one can see the Live in Miniature project virtually by using the Google apps, the miniatures, and of national museums. Okay, next question. Who has won the Portuguese Grand Prix 2020? Max Verstappen, Lewis Hamilton, Valtteri Bottas, option D, none of these. The answer here is Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton has won the 2020 Portuguese Grand Prix held in Portugal. It is held in Portugal. This was the 12th round of 2020 Formula 1 World Championship, and this is Hamilton 8 win. This is Hamilton 8 win in this season. Okay, and 92 win in its career. Okay, 92 win in its career and 8 win in this season. Okay, you can see the image of Lewis Hamilton here. Question number 6. Which state got first rank in Prime Minister SPA Nidhi scheme? PM SPA Nidhi scheme. Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, or option D, Maharashtra. The answer here is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh government has secured the first rank in PM Atmanirbhar Nidhi scheme. Abbreviation is PM Atmanirbhar Nidhi scheme, by approving the highest number of the loan under the scheme in the country, by providing the highest number of loan through this scheme. Okay, Uttar Pradesh news. Capital is Lucknow. Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath, and Anandiben Patel is the governor of Uttar Pradesh. And Lucknow is situated in the river bank of Gomati. It's a static question, remember. Okay, next question. Who is appointed as president of MAI? Suresh Sethi, Kamal Gyanchandani, Amitabh Chaudhary, option D, none of these. The answer here is option B, Kamal Gyanchandani. Recently, the Multiplex Association of India, MAI stands for Multiplex Association of India. Recently, the Multiplex Association of India has announced Kamal Gyanchandani as president of MAI. Okay, he succeed Deepak Asar. Deepak Asar, he succeed. Question number 8. 64th Dhammachakra Pravartan Day is observed in which state? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, option D, Odisha. The answer here is option C, Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, the 64th Dhammachakra Pravartan Day was celebrated at Nagpur Holy Diksha Bhumi. Nagpur Holy Diksha Bhumi on 25 October. It is celebrated on 25 October. Okay. Maharashtra is news. Capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray, and Bhagat Singh Koshyari is the governor of Maharashtra. Okay. Question number 9. Who has started face recognition system for 10th and 12th students? CBSE, ICSE, Madhya Pradesh School Board, or option D, none of these. The answer here is CBSE. Recently, CBSE started face recognition system for 10th and 12th students. Now they kept their board certificate in DigiLocker and open in through use the face recognition system. By using the face recognition system, they kept their certificate in DigiLocker. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which country demand $500 million loan from World Bank for COVID-19 vaccine? Brazil, India, Bangladesh, or option D, Japan? The answer here is Bangladesh. Bangladesh has decided to demand about a $500 million loan from World Bank for COVID-19 vaccine. Okay. World Bank is in news. The headquarters of the World Bank is situated in Washington, D.C. It is established in 1944. In 1944, World Bank is established, and president of World Bank is David Malpass. Okay. I hope you got the facts also now. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, what is the rank of India in global internet speed? Our second question is, the police of which city made a film on women empowerment titled Amma? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. If you like the session and if you think that you got a detailed analysis of the current affairs, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. Okay. Thank you for watching this session. like, subscribe and share as much as you can. And those who first visit Educational Week, please subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Thank you. Have a great day.